Hello students, we are going to continue with our fourth chapter, right? Uh, Same topic, that is e-commerce. In that I have covered two topics, subtopic, that is requisite equipment for the successful implementation of e-commerce. That is, what are the equipments or what are the tools that are required, right, for the successful implementation of e-commerce and online transactions that are being done into the e-commerce. Okay, so mainly when we talk about that physical structure or physical that commerce or industries that will be there, right, mainly we require capital, human resources and machinery, right, at the primary stage. But for the successful of but for the success of implementation or a successful implementation of e-commerce, we are going to require mainly three tools or three equipments, that are website, computer with the internet connectivity, and credit card or a debit card, right? We have already learned what are credit card and what are the debit cards into the third chapter, right? So first is website, right? For the continuous of e-commerce, what you are going to do, you are going to design or you are going to make design of a website, right? That it starts with the www, that is world wide web, right? Like suppose www.samsung.com, www.vivo, right? These things are available, plus www.flipkart.com, that will be always be there, right? So website address that will be created, where you can find out the various products or various that commodities or services that are available, right? Like suppose you want to do the online payment, right, like for the electricity bill, gas bill, or whatever the things will be there, right? You are going to require what? You are going to require this website, right? Second, computer with the internet connectivity, computer or mobile phone with the internet connectivity, right? See, internet connectivity that is going to require for the that online transaction, internet is a must, right? Like various service providers are there where you can use the facility of internet. We have already understood the meaning of internet, what are the services of internet and what are the types or functions of internet, right? Third and important one, that is credit card or debit card. See, when e-commerce will be there, the buyer and the seller, these two person, they are they are not familiar with each other, they are unknown person. So mostly that seller is going to require a particular guarantee that whatever the payment that will be done, it is being on time, right? So this credit card or debit card, it is going to be required, right, for the successful placement of order and a payment, right? Like suppose I'm buying something from Flipkart or I'm buying something from Amazon, I will be that paying the particular amount at the time of the order, right? And the seller is going to what? The seller is going to give that assurance to the buyer that whatever the amount that he is or she is paying, they are going to get returned on time, right? So this credit card or debit card, these two are the instruments which are going to resolve the problem of both, that is buyer and the seller, who are unfamiliar, or that they are not familiar, they are unknown person. Okay, and once the payment is done, you can also cancel it with the help of what? With the help of that banking transaction. Like you can cancel the order within the 7 days, so you can get the reward or you can get the payment in your bank account within the 7 working days, right? So this cards, that is whether it is credit card or debit card, these are the important modes or important tools for the successful implementation of e-commerce. Getting my point, right? Then what are the online transactions that are being done into successful implementation of this e-commerce? First is a pre-buying or a selling stage, right? That is advertisement that will be done, information that are receiving or that is been sent, that will be there into the pre-buying or a selling stage. Like suppose we need to find out the information that what are the online selling platforms that are available. Like suppose you are going to go the search engine, that if you want to find out the information that we have already learned, right? Like you need to go to the browser, then you are going to open the search engine and you are going to find out the data, right? Then second, that what is the condition of buying and selling, right? That what are the price that are available. Like suppose you are going to search on the Google that what is the price of an iPhone, right? So that will be there, what are the price of the iPhone on a various website, various online platforms, whether it is a Flipkart or Amazon, that price variables, it will be there, right? Then third, that is delivery of goods or payment. See, this is important, right? Like suppose that you are finding out the information, you are that you like some products on the Flipkart or Amazon, so where it will be delivered and what are the options of the payment that are available, right? Everything that is going to require what? Everything that is going to require a specific address, residential address, and the particular modes of payment, right? So here there are various stages or various transactions that are there from the part of whom, from the part of, or on the part of the customer, that how a customer is going to place the order, how the customer is going to get the particular delivery of the goods, and how the customer is going to do the payment for the particular goods or a commodity, right? So entire process is done. But here, what is the most important thing? That is internet connection or internet activity that must be activated on your phone. Okay, so first and foremost, that is registration. Now when you are new to the particular Flipkart or Amazon, the first and foremost thing that will be asked by the particular, that you know, the online platforms, that is to register yourself on the Flipkart or whether it is Amazon. Okay, like suppose I am the new user, I need to register myself with my email ID and my mobile phone, right? Like filling up the details, like what is the name, what is the full name, what is your contact number, alternate contact number, then the residential address, with the most important thing, that is the pin code, right? I need to register. Then that particular, you know, that user ID and password that will be created. See, a password that is going to require for the online transaction, that password, it is going to be there for what purpose? To sign in, right? See, we are all familiar with it, right? You have also registered yourself on, you know, that you guys are also using the social media like Facebook, Insta and everything, right? So for that, when you are a new user, you need to register yourself onto the particular online platform or online website, right? Flipkart, Amazon, these are the example, right? That if I'm a new user, I am going to register myself on the Flipkart or Amazon to use the services that has been provided by such online platforms, right? So account that will be protected with the password. Nobody can use your account unless and until they know your password, right? You need to log in into your account. So each and every details that will be what, that will be filled up at the initial stage. Then place an order. Once you have registered, you need to click on buy now option. It will go into the online shopping cart, right? This cart is what, this cart is going to display all the things, that what are the offers that are available, what is the actual price that you are going to pay for the product, and at what kind of address or on which address you are eager or you desire to deliver the, right? You can buy more than one product by adding into the cart, like we are using Zomato, we are using Swiggy, right? You can add the particular more number of items and it will be into the they are going to move into the cart, right? You can saw the various list of the particular products that are available. You are going to give order, right? When you place an order, finally you are going to, you know, redirect it to the payment system. Then last one, that is payment system, right? It can be like cash on delivery, you can pay through checks. See, these checks, there are, you know, they are not used many times, right? Net banking transfer, that is where their credit card, that is their debit card. Digital cash, that means, you know, you are using Paytm, PhonePe, that is digital cash, that PhonePe wallet or Paytm wallet, everything that is that you are putting into the cash, you are doing a transfer, online transfer from, you know, that you're from your bank account to this digital wallets, right? So payment system that will be there, right? For the online shopping, that is going to be required. Whether it is a Paytm, whether it is a, you know, that PhonePe, you need to again register yourself, you need to link your bank account to the particular this digital wallets, right? And you can successfully place the order. Once the order is placed, you are going to get that particular idea that in how many days you are going to get the delivery, right? That estimated delivery date that will be there. If any delivery charges that are applicable, you are going to get it, right? So ultimately what you need to do, you need to pay the particular amount, or you need to select the option that whether it is cash on delivery, whether it is a credit card, whether it is a debit card, or whether it is a net banking transfer. You are going to do the payment with the digital cash, that is through Paytm or through PhonePe or whatever, right? Okay, so these are the things that are included, right? We are going to continue with the same topic, that is e-commerce. Two topics are remaining, two subtopics. We are going to complete it tomorrow, that is in our next lecture, and then last topic will be remaining. So by end of this week we are going to finish up this chapter, right? As soon as we complete the chapter, you need to send me the photos in the form of PDF, right? And you need to submit the notebook whenever it is demanded, right? Okay, go through it. If you have any doubt, do let me know. Thank you.